What's up?
What's up? We're almost to go.
Yeah, looks like a parking citation.
So, yeah, I was pretty amazed by that. But I mean, they fucking all crawled out of there. That's pretty wild. I mean, the whole family in there.
Good for them.
Yeah, good for them. What's the location of your emergency?
Yes, there is bad accident. One car rollover. If you can please help.
Where's this at?
I think it's on. What's this one? Is Brad Street? What is this? Can you talk to 911? Is it Brad Street? Yeah. Brad Street. Brad Street.
Broad and what?
Huh? Brad Street and Demerit.
Okay, and the car flipped over?
Yeah, it flipped over. I don't need emergency, please.
What kind of vehicle is it?
Toyota.
A Toyota? Okay, what color Toyota?
It's red.
Red Toyota? Okay.
Yeah. Does it need emergency?
Okay, are you involved?
No. Just I was on the street.
Okay, is everyone out of the
On this
vehicle?
baby here. Huh?
Is everyone out of the vehicle?
No, they are out. Yes.
Okay.
The baby is okay. I think.
Okay, I got you. Did they hit another vehicle?
No. Just they flip over.
Okay. All right, we'll get officers and medics out there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
What's up?
What's up? We're almost to go.
Yeah, looks like a parking citation.
So, yeah, I was pretty amazed by that. But I mean, they fucking all crawled out of there. That's pretty wild. I mean, the whole family in there.
Good for them.
Yeah, good for them.
Yeah, we got over there.
You see what happened?
No, that Aon wasn't hit that circuit rolled over here.
Oh, so there's some mail.
Tires, something like that.
All right.
Okay. Good enough.
Yeah.
All right, good work, guys.
The springs on like
190, I'll need some help. Got eastbound traffic all backed up. And there's a burn there. Rest of the try to get these cars out of here while we wait for the truck. There's no injuries, by the way.
Okay, copy. Do you need them on 60 then?
I mean, traffic is just standing still with about 100 people staring at me, so there's no rush.
Okay, 91, and 91, 92, copy.
How you doing?
I don't know.
Everybody's okay though, right?
Yeah, I know what problem because I cut on this frame metal.
I see
And
that.
put after I point to the muscle. See, I cut him more, I die.
Okay. All
But
right.
this, so it is put, you cut it for him,
You were driving
you're driving for him.
westbound?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a license? Alrighty.
Okay.
It's good enough for me. Do you guys have insurance or anything? Do you have insurance?
Assurance. Assurance?
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
Do you have it with you?
I have.
Okay. You know, we can get it out in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call a tow truck for you.
Okay. Who you call my assurance?
You can call your insurance, and the insurance will pick up the car out of the impound lot for you. Okay.
Okay.
But well, I'll get a tow truck. I'll flip the car over,
Okay.
and then we'll get your stuff out of the car.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a moment. I am going to try to get my cruiser in here to push that car a little bit. If I can do it without causing damage to my car, I'll open up this lane, okay? So, I might need you to back up. I'm going to have this car back up first, okay? I'm going to ask you to back up a little bit. I'm going to try to use my cruiser to push that car out of the road, okay?
I believe so.
What's that? I'm doing my best.
That being the situation, we'll have no place to put their place.
Okay, copy. So we're shutting down Dyer, Hardy Parkway, and Gans Road, correct?
We're shutting down again, so no northbound from Dyer Road, no southbound from Hardy Parkway.
Okay.
Games and Dyer, no northbound.
Okay.
You're good to go.
That's 10-100, let me know if you'll need another part on it.
I was able to push the car out of the lane with my bumper, so we've got one lane open down here.
Okay, copy. Good job.
Go ahead.
Can you come take my spot so I can get to my meeting?
Well, absolutely, we're good.
I am east of Wilson Road, blocking right behind the wrecker. I'm kind of like the final protection to as cars sneak by the cars behind me.
Okay, give me on 60.
No, as long as you're here within a couple minutes. I'm supposed to be down there at 10:15.
I'll be there in a couple minutes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I don't know how some cars were still sticking by them up there.
I know. Karen just says, like, one goes around me, he's like, what the hell?
They always stopped in between us, so I didn't feel comfortable just leaving.
Scotty said that he's going to have you pass in too.
Yeah.
Idiots.
Yeah, it shouldn't be much longer now, but the coaching car is going to take the floor for me. So.
Beautiful.
Yep, see you later.
Have fun.
Yep. If you need to pawn the info on me later, I can take care of it.
No, he's got it.
All right, thank you.
He's good at this.
Yeah.